So today we're going to jump in and do some organization. We're going to organize our crafty thoughts by checking out what I picked up at the Dollar Tree last time I was there. I hope you guys are subscribed, but if you're not, please subscribe, check out some of my previous videos, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright guys, let's go ahead and check out this Dollar Tree haul. I feel like I had more to say and I have no idea what, so here we go. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Okay, so right now I am sitting in a pile of Dollar Tree stuff that I'm going to share with you. It's everything I picked up the last time I was there, and I have plans for 99% of it. Okay, first things first. I'll show you what I opened because, well, that doesn't really count. I picked up these Jot permanent markers. They're just plain black. They came in a pack of 3, which I thought was amazing because I'm always needing black permanent markers and I can never find them. So I got a pack of that. And then, of course, I got a couple packs of these letters. They're little wood letters and you have to have them on hand. They're a necessity. They come in so handy for so many crafts. I love these. I wish they came with 2 of every letter instead of only 1, but I'll take what I can get. Next, okay, this is the thing I don't know what I'm going to use for, but I had to get it. So let's not tell my sister because she doesn't love when I buy stuff just to buy stuff. I got this. It's a really nice little vase or candle holder, and I really love how it looks. I have to use it in a DIY, and I will find a DIY to use it in, so you should pick one up too if you see it at your dollar store. If you see it at your dollar store. I thought this little candle holder vase was super adorable. I think this will work great for a farmhouse craft, so I'm really excited to use it. I almost got more, and I think I should have, because what I'm using, I think I want 3 in a row, but you win some, you lose some. We'll go ahead and work with what we got. Alright, next, I picked up 3 of these little baskets. Ah! I just dropped a bunch of stuff. So I picked up 3 of them. They're the square rectangle ones. See? I do have a plan. We will work with these. I'm not sure exactly how soon I'll work on this plan or this project, but I am really excited about this one. So I want to make sure I have all my ducks in a row so I don't mess it up. Next, I got these little frames. They are 2 by 3 inches, and I honestly wanted to get just plain ones, but I couldn't find any that didn't have any design. So I got the simplest design I could get. But I didn't want them to be colorful, and I didn't want silver. I wanted plain black. This way I can make them a color if I want to, but I really am liking the black, so I'm probably just going to use them as black. BT Dubs, it is utterly quiet in my house because my kids are not home yet, and it feels super weird. Next, I got some flowers. I got 2 types of flowers. I got these purple ones, and I believe they're the dahlias. Yep. And they're the same type of dahlia like I used in the flower frame, where I used the pink ones and the coral ones, and I just loved them. I think they look really awesome, but my favorite color is purple, so for the next project we'll be using purple dahlias. And I also got these flowers. I had to make sure they were different because at first I thought I was holding up 2 of the same thing. I really like these ones. They're really cute. They have the yellow center, and they're the royal purple, and they blend really closely, but not exactly, which I really like. It gives a little bit of a difference. These with the yellows are the asters. But I really like them. I like them together. I think they blend well. And so I'm excited to use those in a project. I'll have to put down here how many I got because I don't remember anymore. And I got these gorgeous purple roses. These are some of the prettiest purple roses I've seen there. They're like ombre. At the bottom it's dark and then it goes up to a lighter purple. I don't know if you can tell very well on the camera, but I love them. I really love them. So they are going to be incorporated into a fun craft. Let's see, what's next? Oh, right. I saw so many people using these ones. I think they're the hydrangeas, but they lost their tag. But I saw a lot of people using these in DIYs for Easter and for just spring in general, and I fell in love with them. So as soon as I saw them, I knew I needed a bunch, just one bunch. I just got one of these and one of the purple roses because I knew I would be able to find something for it, especially since we're in the middle of the spring and we're going to be going into summer, and you need bright colors for those seasons. Got to get everything out of my way. More of these. What's left in my bag is this yellow squishy face. It's just one of the emoji squishy faces. And I also got this bigger one that's colorful and it's also squishy. So I'm excited to use that as well. Last but not least in this bag is the clay pots, the terracotta pots. And this comes in a 3-pack and they're the smaller ones. So I'm excited to use those. I have a couple different ideas, so I was really glad it came in a 3-pack. I only got one of the 3-pack though. Like I said, I do have projects planned for most of these items. So I'm excited to get started on those. And if you want to go ahead and craft along with me, make sure you go to the Dollar Tree and pick these items up also. Okay, I had not seen this at the Dollar Tree yet, but I was super excited. And I think this is going to be involved in my next DIY. So here it is. I love that it has the twine going across. I think that's super cute. I'm not going to use it for pictures, so I'm going to remove those. But I'm really excited to show you guys a DIY with this that I think is going to turn out amazing. The only thing I didn't love, I'm going to be honest, I didn't love that you could see how here there's a twine handle on the back. And I didn't love that you could see it coming in the front. But we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. We'll fix it so we like it. And I can't wait to do this project. I really can't wait to do this project. I almost did it this week. I was so excited. Then I got a couple 8x10s just in the plain black frame. Just flat, matte. But I really wanted a couple more. And they didn't have any more. So I got what I could find. And I'm going to have to pick a couple more up before I can do this project. That's all there is to it. Alright, next I got 3 of these nautical rope. If you saw the bunnies that we did, you'll know that I love the rope. So we use a lot of this rope, and so I had to pick more up because I had run out. Oh my goodness, I feel like I was playing peekaboo with you guys. If you're a parent, you get me. Last thing. Okay, well I did get balloons for my kids because they did a really good job in the Dollar Tree. But since it's not for a DIY, I'm not going to share them. I got a princess one and a smiley face one if you're dying to know. And then last but not least, I got this little clip holder. It says it's a clip cup, but I'm not going to use it as a clip cup, obviously. So. Oh, hi Tiki. This is my puppy Tiki. This is the loud dog that you sometimes hear in the background. But if you stop at the Dollar Tree or enjoy shopping at the Dollar Tree or doing DIYs, let me know what some of your favorite things are in the comments below. So that's all I have today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I can't wait to see you for next week's video. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. I wonder how in frame I was that whole time. I should have stayed just like this, but I know I didn't. Cut off my chin some of the time. Yep. Sounds like me. I planned on sitting up taller, I'll be honest, but I didn't. So yeah. Alright.